Oh, what a beautiful necklace. Your Majesty, thank you so much. It's so precious. I'm so lucky.
I'm glad that you have liked it. I had it specially crafted for you by the best craftsman in the country.
Oh, I've fallen in love with it. I'll treasure it all my life.
Every time I see you wearing it, I shall feel reassured of your love for me.
I shall never let it out of my sight. Oh, where is it? I remember keeping it on the dressing table last night. Where could it have gone? Anyone there? Ma'am, what can I do for you? I seem to have misplaced my necklace. Please help me search for it. Please do not worry at all, ma'am. I am sure we will find your necklace very soon. Why don't you wear another necklace today? You have so many of them. No. I can't wear any other necklace. The emperor has given that particular necklace to me. It is very precious to him. I can't let him down. I have to find it. What shall I do? Your Majesty?
What's wrong, my dear? Who has caused you anguish?
I'm so ashamed of myself. I have let you down. I couldn't take care of the gift that you gave me. The necklace is missing.
Missing? What do you mean missing? Have you searched for it properly? Are you sure you didn't drop it outside?
I remember taking it off last night and I haven't been outdoors after that. So it had to be here in this room, but it's no longer there. I'm so ashamed for having let you down.
Don't be silly. You don't have to fret so much about one necklace. I shall gift you many, many more. As for this one, I promise you we shall find it. You just relax here in my chamber tonight and the matter shall be resolved by tomorrow morning. Guard,
Yes, Your Majesty.
take a couple of guards with you and ask the Queen's maids to search every nook and cranny of the Queen's chamber for the necklace. I want that necklace to be found.
As you wish, Your Majesty. Your Majesty,
Yes, where is the necklace? Give it to me.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but we searched the chamber extensively. We could not find the necklace.
What? You couldn't find it? The Queen kept the necklace on the table last night. How could it disappear?
Your Majesty, I think it may have been stolen.
Stolen? Who would dare steal from the Queen?
Well, Your Majesty, there have been instances of thievery of late in other parts of the palace too. The guard has been conducting an investigation and hasn't been successful as yet.
Theft in the palace? Investigations? Why wasn't I informed about this? I have to put an end to this matter tonight. I don't want to see the Queen upset tomorrow morning. Send for Birbal urgently. He is the only one who can solve this mystery.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Birbal, you have to resolve a very urgent matter tonight. You have to find the Queen's necklace.
Your Majesty, the Queen's necklace?
Well, it's like this.
So that's what the problem is.
Birbal, My friend, you have to help resolve this issue tonight.
Your Majesty, well, one thing's for sure. I think the necklace has been stolen, as it hasn't turned up after 2-3 thorough searches of the room. And the thief has to be one of the maids or the guards on duty at the Queen's chamber last night. Your Majesty, please summon all the guards and the maids who were on duty at the Queen's chamber last night and assemble them inside the Queen's chamber. I want to go and bring a very clever friend who shall help us identify the thief.
Why at the Queen's chamber? And which friend? Why do you have to go? I'll send someone with your message for your friend.
Your Majesty, all your questions shall be answered. I need to go and call this friend personally, as he certainly has some magical powers and would help us find the guilty one.
I'm really curious to meet this friend of yours, Birbal.
I'll be back soon, Your Majesty.
अरे लाइन में खड़ा है, क्या बात है? अरे परेशान कर दिया है। अरे हमें भी सजा मिली, छोटी सजा क्या हुई?
हमें यहाँ क्यों बुलाया?
लाइन में लगा के लाइन में खड़ा है, क्या बात है? अरे
Birbal, what are you up to? I thought you were bringing a friend. What are you doing with this donkey?
Your Majesty, this donkey is my friend and he has some truly magical powers. He shall help us in catching the thief. Just give me some time.
All right, but make it quick.
With your permission, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, as I have mentioned, my friend has magical powers and he shall help us identify the thief. I would like these people to go in one at a time and hold my friend's tail and say, I have not stolen the necklace, and come out. Once they have done all that, I shall go in and speak with my friend, and he shall tell me who the thief is.
Birbal, I'm really curious now. I really wonder, how can you speak with your friend? But if your friend can truly identify the thief, then let's not waste any more time. Please begin.
Please, and remember, for you to prove your innocence, you have to hold the donkey's tail and say, you have not stolen the necklace.
I have not stolen the necklace.
Your Majesty, please excuse me. I have to go in and speak to my friend.
Please.
Your Majesty, I shall now examine all these people to find out.
Please, do it fast.
Your Majesty, this is your thief.
Are you sure, Birbal? How can you say this? There's not even a mark on him.
Your Majesty, I have served you for so long. I am not really a thief. This donkey's testimony is no proof. How can Birbal speak the donkey's language?
Yes, Birbal. How can you be so sure?
Your Majesty, I had applied some perfume to the donkey's tail. And that's the reason why I asked them to hold the donkey's tail and speak. I knew the guilty one would hesitate to hold the donkey's tail, and that's exactly what has happened. I have checked all of the hands. All of them smell of the same perfume. Except for this guard's hands, Your Majesty. and that is an impossibility. For fear of being caught, he didn't touch the donkey's tail. Your Majesty, the donkey belongs to my washerman, and he has no magical powers at all.
You have betrayed my trust. How dare you steal from the palace? You have brought disgrace to your entire fraternity.
Please forgive me, Your Majesty. I had gone blind with greed. Please forgive me. I shall return all the stolen property. Just give me one more chance, Your Majesty.
You can never be trusted again, and you cannot be forgiven. Guards, throw this man in prison after confiscating all the stolen goods. I apologize to the rest of you for having suspected you. Please carry on with your duties. Birbal, once again your intelligence helped identify the guilty and recover the precious gift for my beloved queen. Of course, with the help of your magical friend. Thank you, Birbal. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.